Hey there, April of Yes to Next here. I'm excited to share with you 5 standing yoga poses using a chair as a prop. And yoga has many benefits, including stretching out your entire body, strengthening your muscles, and also just relaxing your mind and body, which has a whole host of benefits. Now, I'll be doing this in my bare feet. Love to feel the floor, feel grounded, and I'm using a yoga mat, but you can also do this on your rug or carpet. And again, have a real sturdy chair as well. All right, so we'll take a quick pause here and get started on the other side. The basic move for yoga is called Tadasana. It's a standing mountain pose. And all we're gonna do is have our feet hip width apart, okay? And ground our feet evenly into the floor. And we're gonna face our palms forward. And we're just gonna stand here. Inhale and exhale. And what you wanna be mindful of is that relax your shoulders, relax so your ears are just kind of relaxed there. Your body is standing in a straight line, so your shoulders, hips, knees, ankles are all in alignment, and your feet are evenly distributed. The weight is evenly distributed on the floor. And I feel relaxed just standing here like this. So take 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 2 more. Inhale and exhale, and 1 more. Inhale and exhale, and very nice. Twinkle those fingers. Very good. Okay, very nice. So the first move we're going to do is a forward fold. And so what we want to do is we want to face our sturdy chair here, about 2 feet from the chair, feet hip width apart, and what we're going to do is we're going to hinge at the hips, and we're going to place both hands on the chair, okay? And so if you notice, my back is straight and parallel to the floor, and your head, spine, back, neck, all are in alignment, okay? And so we just want to stay here, and you can lift your navel to the ceiling. Inhale for 3, inhale, and exhale. And inhale, and exhale, and take 1 more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Very nice, okay? Come up gently, come back to mountain pose here, and just shake it out. Okay, take a breath, and exhale. Very nice. Okay, so our next move is a triangle pose. So we're going to face our chair. We're going to put our left foot forward, our toes are facing the chair, right foot back, slightly turned in, okay, and our legs are straight here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put one hand on the chair, okay, so the right hip just kind of kicks out here. You can feel the stretch. And at the same time, we're going to lift that arm up. And so what you really feel like your body's rotating to the right. And you notice my head is in alignment with my spine, okay? And you're just gonna hold this here, open it up. I feel a nice stretch in your hip and even in your chest area here. I even feel it on my arm that's on the chair. Take 3 inhale, exhales from here. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. And come down. Bring that arm down. Bend the knee and come on in slightly. Now we have to do the other side. So I'm going to take my chair, bring it on over here. Okay. All right. Great. So I'm facing my chair. I'm bringing my right foot forward, left foot back. Same thing. Legs are straight, okay? Bring that arm down, hand on the chair. And I'm going to bring that left arm up. And you can feel a slight twist, your body opening up, to the left here, okay? And if you want, you can look up at your hand, or you can just keep your head here like this, okay? So breathe, take 3 breaths from here. Inhale hold the pose, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And one more, inhale, and exhale. Very nice, and relax. Bring the arm down, slightly bend the knee to the center, and come on up gently. So very, very nice. Okay, take a breath here. I feel open up already. I hope you do too. All right, so our next one is an extended side angle pose. I'm gonna bring it back over here on this side. Okay, onto the left side. And what we're gonna do is face our chair. We're gonna bring that left foot forward, right foot back, slightly turned out. Toes are facing forward, okay? This time we're gonna bend the knee, and we want our knee to just stay over our ankle here, okay? So we don't want to go too far that forward here. So just slight bend, and we're gonna bring the left arm down and the right arm palm up. And if you get it over your ears, this is great, but you don't have to, but you might feel your body just opening up here. Open it up to the right. Okay, you feel a nice stretch through your hip area and also probably your abs, okay? And just hang here, breathe. Take 3 more breaths from here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. Inhale. And exhale. Very nice. Okay, come on down gently, gently, gently. Okay, hold on to the chair, bring that leg up. Ooh, feel that. Now we gotta do the other side. Ooh, stretch one side out, you gotta stretch the other side out. Get some alignment here. Okay, so we're standing in front of our chair again. And bringing that left foot back, slightly turn out a little bit. Okay, and a bend in that front knee over ankle. Again, that arm goes down, right arm goes down, left arm over the head, and you feel this nice little opening up motion to the left, okay? And breathe. Feel this, your body open up. Take 3 inhale, exhales from here. Inhale, and exhale. Nice. Inhale, and exhale, and one more. Inhale, and exhale. Very nice. Okay, bring that arm down gently, okay? Onto your chair, bring that leg back and up. Go back into Tadasana. Probably feels really good just to stand here like this. Inhale, and exhale. Okay, well, very good. Okay, so now we're going to go into a gentle warrior 1 pose, okay? I'm going to start here on my right side since we're standing here. Yeah, on the right side. Bringing the leg back. Okay, so we're standing here just like this, and I'm bringing that left foot back, okay? And I'm going to bring this, I'm bringing this arm up. This is the move here. Up. Good. I was almost going into warrior 2, okay? This is just a move here. Now, you can stay here, or if you want, you can bring both arms up, okay? Hips face to your right, okay? But you can always hold on here, just like this. And let's do 3 inhale, exhales from here. Inhale, and exhale. Good. Inhale, and exhale. And give me one more inhale. And exhale, and come on down. Really nice work. Okay, come back, and we're gonna go back. Move this on this side this time, okay? All right. So we're bringing that right foot back this time, okay? And we're gonna bring the left arm up, okay? And you can hold this here, or if you want, you can bring both arms up. And again, hips face to your left, okay? And again, if you can't can't get your arms all the way up, don't worry about it. You can choose to hold on here, but this is a warrior one position, okay? Breathe, everybody. Take 3 from here. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale, and one more. Inhale and exhale, and very, very nice. Come back up to Tadasana, kind of straighten that out. Very, very good. Okay, we're gonna go into warrior 2 this time. Facing our chair, we're gonna bring that foot back, slightly turned out, front toes facing forward, slight bend in the knees, knees over ankle, and bringing that arm back. Great, okay. Open it up. Breathe. 3 inhale, exhales from here. Inhale and exhale. Good, inhale and exhale. And one more, inhale and exhale. Very nice. Okay, come back gently. Great, and I'm gonna switch over to the other side. Okay, take a breath. Okay, we're facing our chair again. This time I'm bringing my left foot back, slight bend in that right leg forward, okay? And I'm bringing that left arm back as well, okay? Slight turn out in the foot, okay? Breathe, everyone. I love to feel this stretched, opening up my chest and also my legs. All right, so breathe. 3 inhale, exhales from here. Inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Okay, come back gently, arm down, step it in, and face forward. Okay, let's just finish this out with 3 inhale, exhales up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more inhale to prayer hands. And namaste. Very, very nice. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this standing yoga session with a chair. I hope that you feel better and relaxed and stretched out. And I wish you a wonderful day. If you like this video, please give it a like, share a comment about what you thought, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much for your support. It means the world to us. We look forward to seeing you real soon, and in the meantime, keep stretching and moving.